it's late spring here in California. We are still getting like about a week of rains ahead of us, and it's been snow in Sierra Nevada, so it likely means I still can do ice fishing. I will try it today. All right, spring is here, but we still have some snow, and next week gonna be some more. Yeah, it feels like a spring. Yeah, most likely we are closing the season today. I mean, ice fishing season. A little more than halfway done. Yeah, beautiful landscape. And I'm tired. Yeah. Alright, here is the lake. Yeah, it was tough. I'm gonna fish over there around that trees. Alright, time to set up everything. It's pretty cold here, but here we come. First one for today. Not big, but it's okay. It's a good one. We'll release it though. Yeah. Okay, it's gonna be some snowstorm, maybe not so small. Oh my goodness. If it will not stop soon, I will have to go back home. But hope it will not be too long. And here's one more. Third one. No biggest today, but it's good. It's good. Alright, time to go. Yeah. Good fishing today, no biggies, but I caught fog, I cutthroat trouts, all released. And I think storm is coming. I need to hurry up. It way back will take me like a couple of hours, and it seems like I will do it under snowstorm. It's only me who went here within last couple of weeks at least, so it's really difficult. I'm trying to follow my footprints. Storm begins. I'm almost at my car. But, it looks like I'm a little better prepared. I slightly reduced the weight of my backpack, and I took less layers of the clothes, not to overheat, and that made some small impact. Though I fell through the first layer of ice, and my boots got wet, and that was like really uncomfortable, but it did not affect my physical abilities, fortunately.